birthday, and we are going to show you a fun project you can make with materials that you can find around your house.
Today we are going to make straw gliders. For this activity, you will need heavy paper like cardstock cut into 1-inch strips, scissors, tape, and straws.
Before we get started, I want to talk about straws. I have two different types here. I have the paper straw, which is the purple and white one, and it is safer for the environment. If a bird or a fish or a turtle gets tangled up in these, they break apart pretty easily. The other straw is a plastic straw, and it does not break apart easily, and so they are much more damaging to the earth. They are worse for the environment. A paper straw takes about 2 weeks to biodegrade or break down. A plastic straw takes about 200 years.
The first step is to take your cardstock and cut it into 1-inch strips. We've already done that, so our next step is going to be taking one of those strips and taping the ends together to make a big hoop. Step is to tape the hoops around the straw. So gently lay your straw inside your hoops, take a piece of tape, and without crushing your straw, tape it inside your big hoop and your little hoop, one on each end. This part can be a little tricky, especially when you're outside and the wind is blowing. Nice. Now do the other end. Very good. Now we're ready to test out our straw glider. But before we do that, let's see what happens when you just throw a plain paper straw. Okay, not too far. Now try your paper glider, your straw glider. Much, much farther. Good job.
While this straw glider is a great example of a project you can make using recycled materials or found materials, there are also a lot of forces at work here. When you throw the glider, you are using the force thrust, which pushes it out through the air. The hoops on the glider work like wings, and the air passes over them, creating lift. And the larger hoop in the back will slow the glider down, which produces drag. We hope you enjoyed this activity. If you do this one or any other activities, let us know and we'll give you a shout out. Have a great day. Bye.